Hey guys, let's talk M1 Finance. This is going to be a new series that I'm going to have a playlist for. It's going to be basically my top 10 funds or top 10 stocks in my portfolio. It's going to be a top 5 winners and top 5 losers. And I think this will be actually a fun series for me and hopefully you as well. I'm going to turn it into like a weekly series where it's going to be like a power rankings type of scenario. So let's get into this. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So let's go into my current holdings. I'm going to do unrealized. So this is going to be my bottom 5 holdings that I currently own. And as you can see, a lot of them are in the tech sector right now. So Nvidia, Shop, Amazon, BX, and Netflix are in my bottom 5. And one thing I'm going to do is like next week's video, I'm kind of going to rank these. They're going to be 1 to 5. Next week, I'm going to see basically if Nvidia is going to still maintain the top spot or who's kind of moving up. And this is going to do kind of two things in my portfolio. I'm going to actually look at the bottom 5 stocks I have and see if it's a company, one, I want to continue to hold, and two, if it's just a dip, if I do want to continue to hold it, and if I think it's a dip where it's good value to purchase it, then I'm going to add funds to these bottom 5 to average my costs down. Like probably in next week's series, I'll probably pull up charts in the video as well to show you exactly what I'm looking at. But I did look at BX, and it's kind of where it is on the chart. I believe it's kind of in a dip right now, so I think it's a good one to look at. This is just looking at my value, so it's not showing, but let's go into the actual chart. So 3 months, it's definitely actually a pretty big dip. In the 1 year, again, it's good looking at where it's support level. So this is a stock I'm going to actually buy, but I mean buy more of on Tuesday. For those that you don't know, Tuesday is my open day where I invest in certain stocks through M1 Finance. And yeah, so let's go back to my holdings. And yeah, so I kind of lost my train of thought. Well, let's look at the top 5 right now. The top 5, as you can see, shows you a lot more than the bottom 5. Top 5 is, companies you expect to see. McDonald's, Procter & Gamble, Walmart. These are all consumer staples. And since the market's been down, consumer staples are usually the ones that will hold their value the best. So that's no surprise here. So again, next week I'm going to do, like a power rankings week 2 and to see if these ones hold up depending on how the market goes. And these ones are obviously ones that are doing good, so these are ones I'm going to try to add value as well, or add money to the portfolio. So my bottom 5 and top 5. The bottom 5, I'm looking at two things. One's if I want to keep the stock, two, if I want to reinvest. The top 5, I'm just looking to reinvest. Obviously, I'm not going to get rid of stocks that are moving upwards. So I hope you like this video. For those of you who don't know, this is a portfolio I use for M1 Finance. So these picks are going to be based on M1 Finance. I do have other account holdings that I might show in other videos, but this video series is going to be my top 10 winners and losers for M1 Finance. I will have a link down below. M1 Finance is great. You can have fractional shares. You can build up your counts as needed, at your own pace and create, dividend income. So let's kind of go. I'll show you one pie, then I'll include this in my description below. I think I'll show you, since a lot of my bottom 5 are in growth, I think I'll show you the growth pie today. And I will actually share this in the video if you guys are interested. This is what I currently own in my growth stocks pie. Basically stocks that are big growth movers or potential to have big growth movers. And this is the current target. You can adjust the targets. Basically, Bob and Facebook, I just re-added back to my account. So I just have 2% just so it'll gradually add money to that pie. I don't want to, Amazon, I have like almost $100 with Amazon. I don't want it to, have the same percent and it just feed, $100 right away. I want to gradually add money to stocks so I can, average cost in to the stocks. So hopefully this makes sense. I will share this in the description below this video. If you want to add this pie, just click on it and add to your own M1 Finance. M1 Finance does have a promotion going on right now for $20 added to your account. In fairness, I will get $20 as well, as you will get $20 when you invest $100 into M1 Finance. It's a great way to get started. That's basically if you put $100 in and you get $20, that's a 20% jump to your portfolio, especially in a down market. That can be huge. So again, I really love M1 Finance. It's the way to go to be able to create fractional shares and get into stocks that you would normally not get into. Amazon, I still don't even own close to one share, but I'm still involved in Amazon and reaping profits on stocks like this. I'm currently not up in Amazon. It's just for example that you can get into those type of stocks without having to pay $1,800 for one share. So thanks again, guys. Happy investing out there. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos and content like this. I create content on investments. I think I'll create a new series coming up on my day trading activities. I'll show you the patterns and the patterns that I use in the chart to get in and out of stocks. Some of my day trading patterns, I'm in and out of stocks in 30 seconds, and I'm making a very good amount on some of those trades. So thanks again. Bye.